In this lesson, we want to explain all type of skydomes. To do this, we enter the skydome in a software library. As we can see, there are generally three categories: morning and afternoon, noon, and low sun. Each of them is divided into three other categories: clear, cloudy, and overcast. Search inside all of these categories to have formal clouds, sky, and sun in your memory so that you can easily choose them later. Okay, we going to search in all these categories and see all kind of skies and other things. As you can see, to use them, we must first log into your Epic Games account, and then you can hit these arrows to easily download and use them one by one. Okay, back to skydomes. Well, the settings of these skydomes are in settings, lighting, and here skydome, and in a more. You can also turn on or off them here. Well, now we go to the library, and in the morning and afternoon, in a cloudy, we insert number 4, cloudy number 4, by clicking and dragging and dropping the scene, and wait it for to be load. It take time in 10 seconds. We're waiting to load. Okay, and as you can see, the insert and the light are very beautiful and nice. First, a few important points about the skydome. In fact, there are real sky. They are called HDRI or HDRI image that shine on the scene from all directions. The software solar system is different from the optical system of these images. When you enter skydome in a software's optical system no longer works. And if you want to change the amount of cloud or sunlight or other thing, you have to find and place a sky from the library. As you can see, when we change the sun, it doesn't affect the overall light. The next important point is that the software weather system also does not work in these skies either. Go to settings and to weather, to view and change seasons and weather. For example, we change to rainy weather. As you can see, the amount of cloud and the rainy condition are not the same as the images. And so you have to go to the library and find and place a suitable sky based on the time and weather condition. Okay. These are two very important things. Okay. Go back to settings of skydomes. In this section, you can insert other type of skydomes from library, and from the open section you can import your desired HDR from your computer that you have already prepared or download from internet. If you search the internet, you can find many of them. In intensity section, you can increase or decrease amount of this sky, intensity of this sky. If you make it 0, the sky will completely removed. But the sun is still there. When the sky is removed, the scene light decreases because we also receive the light from the sky. The more you can change the light of the sky or environment in ambient. Okay. Let's go back in the setting. In a match sun, this means that you can turn it off or on. This means that the software sun will match the location of the sun in these images. If you turn off the match sun, the photo stays the same, the sun the same, and by changing the location of the sun, the software changes the direction of shadow and light, which create an abnormal situation. So always turn it on. Okay, in a rotation, you can rotate the skydome. And in a skydome, affect lighting option means exactly whether HDRI mode is on or off. If we turn it off, the sky will no longer interfere with the lighting system and we will no longer receive the light from the sky. As you can see, the shadows are more soft and realistic. And a smog option also create a line of fog and smog on the horizon. Foresee that better inserts other skydome. Going in a library, in a low sun, we enter clear 9. For example, clear 9. Clicking drag and waiting for it to be load. Okay, as you can see in the horizon of the sky, when we turn it off or on, that little smog and fog at the far will be appear. That it is very natural that it is where we turn it on. It is very nice in. Okay, this is all about skydome that create a realistic output for us. Don't forget to use them. Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.